Desert Moon just for you guys, only here on 88.7 Mux Radio. It's hot radio. Just for you guys, listen up. Click here.
Is this a dream? The desert moon was all she said. But I knew I heard a stranger's voice before. I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The winter for our memories in a tiny car. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dream we lost or giving up. When the winds take out the night and shook silent from my life, as the last string grew towards the moon. Blue summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we've never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. In our hands we grew the sun, we live innocence on the desert moon. We were dreamers, only dreamers. On desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon.
Shoutout nga pala sa lahat po ng aking mga viewers dyan. Hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin dahil ang dami po ninyo. Baka magtampo pa po yung iba pag hindi po nabanggit ang pangalan. Kaya para na lang sa inyong lahat. Kung sino man kayo dyan, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you.
I can hear the whisper of the summer night. It echoes in the corners of my heart. The night we drew